let's jump right into calendar. The month is January. I know that yesterday was January 12th. If yesterday was the 12th, then today is the 13th. Let's write it out in number form first. 1/13/2021. Right, ready? January 13th, 2021. Today is Wednesday, so if today is Wednesday, we hop back to yesterday. And yesterday was Tuesday. If yesterday was Tuesday and today is Wednesday, then tomorrow will be Thursday. Yesterday we had been at school 60 days. If we add one more, then I know I have 6 10s and 1 1, which makes 61 days of school. All right, here we go. I'm going to try something different today. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. Let's know our words. Use. Both. New. Often. No. Full. All right, let's go up and down. You ready? Where will we land today? Oh, we are hot today, you guys. Let's go across 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's make our time. I'm going to put the hour hand on the 12. I'm also going to, I can't grab the minute hand, can I, guys? I'm also going to put the minute hand at the 12. So we would read this as 12 o'clock. Good work today.